Grease, grime and oil can be a pain to remove from surfaces using traditional degreasers. With 777 All Purpose Degreaser, removing stubborn soils and stains is a breeze. Specially formulated using bio-based materials, it is an effective and powerful degreaser, ideal for metal surfaces, industrial equipment, workshop floors, and the general removal of oils, grease and grime. Due to the vast range of surface and equipment cleaning, the usage instructions for cleaning with 777 All Purpose Degreaser contained in this video are general in nature. For removing extra heavy deposits, mix 1 part 777 All Purpose Degreaser with 1 to 2 parts water. For cleaning moderately soiled surfaces, mix 1 part 777 All Purpose Degreaser with 10 to 20 parts water. And for cleaning lightly soiled surfaces, mix 1 part 777 All Purpose Degreaser with 50 parts water. Cleaning with the product can be done in various ways: wiping, misting, scrubbing, pressure washers, soak tanks. Not only does 777 All Purpose Degreaser remove grease and oil effectively, it is also safer for workers and the environment. For more information, call 1800 777 580 or email sales@envirofluid.com.